Make a great choice today with the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, body color door handles, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.